What is going on, guys, and welcome to Bootstrap tutorial. And in this video we're going to talk about panels in Bootstrap. So in order to create a panel, we would have to create a div, and it's going to have a class, and the class is going to be panel over here, and it's going to be panel default. And I'll explain to you why it's default for now, because as we're doing that you'll see that it doesn't really make a difference. So over here I have panel default. And as you can see that nothing has technically happened. I just created technically something like a panel, but over here I would have to create a div, and that div would have a class, and the class would be panel body like this. And obviously whatever I would write over here, let's say I am panel body, would be actually in the panel body. Now you can see that over here that if I have a div that has a class panel body, it would make sense if I would have a div that would have a class that would have a panel heading, right? Something like this. So over here I have a panel heading, and if I write over here I am heading, something like this, then what I can do over here is with contextual classes I can actually change the color over here of the heading. So I can write danger, so you can say I have danger. If I write here in here info, I would have info. So you get an idea what's happening, right? However, you need to understand that this is only changing the heading. The body is always going to stay like this, unless you obviously add your own classes. And we obviously also have a class over here that is a panel footer. Over here like this, panel footer. So now we have panel footer, and again, I'm just going to write I am a panel footer. And what we can see over here is that this is a little bit grayish. That's its own style, right? Now let's say that we have like 3 or 4 of them together, right? So I'm just gonna copy this and paste it, and now you can see that there's like this little margin in between, right? Let's say maybe if I'm just gonna make this danger, we'll see this better, right? So you can see there's the margin in between. Now if we create a div, and this is a panel group over here, so panel group, and if we just copy this like this, cut it out, paste it here, now I can see that actually this div gets rid of this margin in between. So this is how we can style them if we want to style multiple panels together. This is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.